Here's one of those tests to see if you're actually paying attention. Step 7, attribution. Making this video right now, it says give credit where credit is due. It's polite and the right thing to do. It's making the world a little better place by being a little better individual and not a, well, I won't use the comparison. But it says here, also add an example of attribution using the methods used in the part 7 video. Okay, see, I'm giving you the answer. I'm telling you what the test is. And yet, still, I will be resetting quests because there will be individuals who don't follow these instructions. Okay, so over here, we have this pre-made thank you. Now, normally, you could copy this and give credit using this link because it takes you to this page. Or you can click on the photographer's name, go to his page, and copy that URL, which gives better credit, not just to a single image, but to all of his images. Or this right here will link to the photographer's homepage and give credit to Unsplash as well for hosting this. So if you copy this, and you see it says copied, that's nice. Not all sites have this. You have to use your brain when you do the attribution. And what I'm going to show you next won't always happen. So I'm going to show you a way to be careful so it'll always work. Now, what I copied is a whole bunch of code. I'm not switching apps. I'm just coming over here. So if I paste it right here, it will work, but it won't work right. I want you to see, this is the visual tab and this is the text tab. I want you to see the code as it's actually pasted. All of that is code, is HTML that makes this link. And if I highlight this link and delete it and just paste it here, you'll say, well, it just works. I don't need to go back there. You will find other instances where you paste that code and it just drops in as code. Anytime you're working with code, it's always a good idea to come back here and paste it in. Okay? And then what I typically do is because I don't want to accidentally get this link, I hit return a couple times and just type a letter. So coming back here in the visual, I have kind of a place mark sitting here. And now, here's the really tricky part. Here's the part that ticks me off when I'm going through hundreds of posts. If I click a link that takes me away from your blog, I want that link to open up in a new tab. By default, these two links, the way it was set up, you can't tell right here. When I click on this, I can click on this little edit icon. See it? See that little pencil? I don't want to break the link. I want to edit the link. So if I click on that, I get this, which doesn't show me a whole bunch more. If I click on this gear, see that gear? This says, just do it. This says, hey, I want some options. If I click on those options, there's this button right here, open link in new tab. If I click a link in your blog post and it takes me away from your blog post and I close the window, I have lost. I have to go back and find your blog again and start going through this. And now I'm in a really bad mood. You don't want me in a really bad mood. You got it? Open link in new tab. Boom. Great. Are you done? Do you see another link sitting here? And if we click on edit and click on the options, we can now open that one in a new tab, click update, and then I can save this. You know, because I haven't finished writing, I don't want to lose my changes. My draft is saved. And now I can go ahead. What was the first part of this? Explain in your own words. I have taught you a lot more than just being able to find things and rename them. What I don't want to call him by his real name, what Well-Dressed Baby has done for you is help you understand how to find your files on your Chromebook once you've downloaded them. Now, maybe you already knew that. What I've taught you is some other techniques and strategies which will help you be successful not only in this class, but learning how to use a computer more efficiently and effectively. And that's coming from a guy who's used a computer for 35 years. Okay? So there you go. When I click these two links, if they don't open in a new window, I'm resetting this. And I'm not going to tell you why. I'm just going to say, do it again. And you're going to say, do what again? And I'm not going to tell you because I'm not going to have any mercy because I am tired of students who won't pay attention to simple instructions. You got it? So you and I know what's going on. That other kid over there who's not paying attention is going to be really disappointed. I don't want to watch all those videos again. Well, chances are if you didn't watch this one, you didn't really watch the other ones. Hey, little teacher trick. Love you guys. Thank you for putting up with this. I want you to understand this will help you the rest of the year. Use this. Be smart. Be polite. Give attribution. Got it? Good. Now let's see you do something amazing.